Name the property involved in the following examples. This is the first question in exercise 1.1. Here we have to give the name of the property. What kind of properties are there for us? Closure property, associative property, additive identity, multiplicative identity, additive inverse, multiplicative inverse, all these are, along with commutative property, distributive property. Those are the properties here. Now first one is something plus 0. 0 is added to this number, that gives the result the same. This is what kind of property here? What is 0 is added to the number, the result it gives the same number. So here something is added, 0. 0 is additive identity. Additive identity. So this is a, therefore additive identity. Additive identity. Additive identity. This one is something is added, 0 is added to something, the result gives the something. Second one, this is a 2 into 3 by 5 plus 2 into 1 by 2. 2 is distributed to the first part and 2 is distributed to second term. 2 is distributed to first term, 2 is divided to, 2 is multiplied to second term. Two terms are there. 2 is multiplied to first term, 2 is multiplied to second term. 2 into 3 by 5 plus 2 into 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2. This is the distributive. So distributing, 2 is distributing to first part, first term and second term. Therefore, distributive property. This is distributive property. The next one, this is something is multiplied by 1. Something is multiplied by 1. It gives the same itself. Therefore, multiply. This is addition. Addition. So, additive identity. Here, multiplicative identity. Therefore, it is multiplicative identity. Something is adding. Addition. Additive identity. Identity. One is multiplicative identity. So, multiplicative identity. 0 is additive identity. Next, fourth one. Something is multiplied by 1. Into 1. Into 1. Into 1. Into 1. Multiplied by 1. That is multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. And the next here, fifth one. Observe this, 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3. Again same numbers, 1 by 3, 2 by 5. But places are interchanged. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3 interchanged. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3. So therefore, this is called commutative property in addition. Therefore, commutative, this is two terms is there. Two terms is commutative. 3 terms is there, associative. Commutative. In addition. Commutative property in addition. This is one number into second number, the result. This is the result. By multiplying these two terms, this gives the result. The result, whenever we will get the result, a plus b, 2 plus 3, 5, 7 plus 6, 13. The result, it is closure property. Whenever the result is given, answer is given, that is closure property. Under multiplication, closure property. Closure property in multiplication. This is closure property. Answer is there. It is in the multiplication. Next here, answer is 0. Here, in the question is 0. In this, answer is 0. Whenever answer is 0, these two are, what are these? Additive inverse. Whenever the result is 0. Therefore, additive inverse. 7a is additive inverse of minus 7a. Minus 7a is additive inverse of 7a. 7a is additive inverse of minus 7a. Minus 7a is is additive inverse of 7a. Now in this, same here result is 1 under multiplication. Result is 1. So this is multiplicative inverse. Therefore, multiplicative inverse. Addition, additive identity. Multiplication, multiplicative identity. Under addition, in the question, left side is the question, right side is the answer. You can feel like that. Additive identity, multiplicative identity. But results, in the results 0, additive inverse. In the result is 1, multiplicative inverse. 0 is additive identity, 1 is multiplicative identity. But these are in the answers. In the answers, additive inverse. 7a is the additive inverse of minus 7a. Minus 7a is the additive inverse of 7a. Here x is the multiplicative inverse of 1 by x. 1 by x is the multiplicative inverse of x. Now next. This is 2 into x plus 2 into 6. 2 is second common. 2 is second common. 2 of x plus 6. 2 of x plus 6. Therefore, this is same this type of problem. Commutative property exists here. This is a distributive property. This is distributive property. Okay.